My name is Megan Woodland. I'm coming from Knoxville, Tennessee. I work for Access Fabrication and Machine Company. We're a job shop and we do a little bit of aerospace stuff, some appliance stuff, fabrication, machining, welding, a little bit of everything in-house. We've been actively using paperless since September. I only started at Access Fabrication full-time in June. My dad is the owner, so I have interacted with the quoting process for like 20-something years. So my day-to-day before we rolled out paperless was really just trying to figure out what processes are gonna hold everyone accountable and help us be the most productive moving forward. There was obviously a lot that went into deciding to move away from a quoting platform. I was talking to my dad around the same time as they were making the decision to switch to paperless, and he kind of asked my opinions, and I was like, that sounds way better than the current quoting platform that we use, because the one that we currently have looks like it was made in 1995 and has not been updated since then. So I was pro new technology, especially a technology that's gonna help us move forward. So I nudged in a way that a daughter can nudge their father, but the decision was we're moving into a new building and we need to figure out ways to grow in a healthy way that's gonna be sustainable. And one of those ways was we gotta quote more. How are we gonna quote more? Well, we need to try to find a way to be more effective and efficient in our quoting. We can't just scale up with no help. That's unsustainable, and that's unless people are just gonna be working 60-hour weeks, which obviously we don't want. So when I first saw the bomb builder, I was like, this is the best thing ever. I am so excited. I don't know if everyone gets excited as I do as new pieces of technology, but I knew as soon as I got on the call with Meg, I was like, this is going to be a game changer for me. I know it's gonna save me so many hours a week. Some of our customers have very complex cabinets that have hundreds of parts in them, and they only have PDF prints, which is, of course, you're sitting there assigning the hardware and all of that. So if we had a new cabinet, it would take me hours, if not days, to do that. And as soon as I sat down with Meg, I was like, this is gonna take me an hour to do a whole new cabinet, which obviously frees up to do so many other things. So I was very excited, and I knew immediately how impactful the piece of technology was gonna be. We've only been using paperless full-time for about 6 to 8 months now, and even in that amount of time, I've seen so much drastic increase in productivity, usability, just little changes that may not seem like a huge change to paperless, but to me it just means they're not content with being stagnant or just being good enough. Every time I send an email in to the RFQ, I see it pick up more information. And so that just tells me that they're dedicated to gradual improvement over time and just not being happy with good enough, which to us means a lot because it's gonna save us time, gonna make us more accurate. If anyone is talking to me about why paperless, I am very much a paperless cheerleader. Anyone I talk to, I say, it's so easy. Let me show you how easy I can quote something right now on my laptop. I don't need to print out anything, hence the paperless parts. But it's just so easy to use. It's so easy to see the value. We're not stuck with the annoying parts of our job. Paperless is gonna actively be moving forward, even without us prompting, to make our lives easier every day. So just a great partner to look forward to working with in the future.